Right. Oh, here is Apollo saying hello to all sorts of people. Hey, Apollo, come here. This is Derek. Hi, handsome. You just cannot believe. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh yeah, he's a playful bunny. You're not going in the car. Apollo, run, run, Baba, run, run, Mister. Run! Run, Monkey Bear! Where are you going? Go discover the ranch. Hey, come here, Baba. Run, run, run. Auntie Lupe is looking for a ball. She'll usually has everything and more. Run! So we've been loading up cars with food to distribute to a lot of different rescues. Apollo has been basically keeping track of what goes in whose car. He's very hands-on, that boy. Very hands-on. Poetry in motion. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Did you get a toy? Oh my God. Auntie Lupe got a toy. Go play. Oh. You got a toy. Have you ever had a toy, my beauty? Oh, you don't know what to do with a toy. That is so sad. A boxer who doesn't know what to do with a toy. Go get the toy. Oh, no. Pick it up, dum-dum. Pick it up, Babale. Apollo. Go get it. Go!
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me.